Hi, welcome back. So once again, we start off with some smoke across the region, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy skies. And we had a very strong southeasterly wind, and with that, we definitely did increase the humidity as temperatures stayed down because of the increased humidity, and the cloud cover across the region didn't really allow us to get well into the 80s. High temperatures today, around 84 degrees in North Platte, 85 at Lexington and Broken Bow, 82 at Thedford, and closer to 90 out toward Ogallala. But current temperatures look like this. We have stayed mild into the mid-70s at North Platte, Imperial, Thedford, Valentine, Broken Bow, and Lexington, with Ogallala currently the warm spot at 79 degrees. So here's a look at the winds. Still southeasterly. The winds have died down since earlier today. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. Now, as for the satellite loop, we do have a few more clouds off to the north of I-80, clear skies off to the south, and we are still tracking some showers and thunderstorms, especially along the I-80 corridor from North Platte to Ogallala and points off to the west. Now, we do have some stronger storms off to the west of our viewing area. They look to work their way in, but the question is, are they going to stay this strong for very long? Some of the models actually do have some of the moisture actually hitting the North Platte area over the next couple of hours, so we will keep our eyes on that one. Could pick up some more moisture just like we did last night. Now, this low pressure system is making its way through. High pressure to our south in charge of our forecast, giving us that southerly flow. We were in that nice warm sector yesterday and a little bit more moisture today, but this high to our west is going to make its way through as this cold front does set up over us. So as for tomorrow, there's a little bit of a severe risk. Most of us having that marginal risk, meaning 1 or 2 storms are possible and could be severe. It looks like they will initiate either over the eastern portion of our viewing area and then strengthen, move out of the viewing area, or they'll just miss us entirely. So let's take a look at that sky cast as we make our way through the rest of the evening. It doesn't really tell us that the storms we have out there now will last very long. Most of us just keep partly to mostly cloudy skies and a mild overnight period with that strong southerly wind. So lows into the upper 60s for the day tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Now, there's the storm. So Custer out toward Dawson County. You could actually get some strong to severe storms, but they're not going to last very long. They're going to initiate over you and then move off to the east. So the Tri-Cities points off to the east could get the best chance of some severe weather, as from North Platte points off to the west, we will actually have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures falling back to near 60 to start off your Thursday, and then as we make our way through the day on Thursday, more showers and thunderstorms, less of a severe risk, but more of a chance of actually getting some more heavy rain, and this actually could be the last chance for quite a while of getting some rain. So we got this low pressure system moving over us. This has been the weather pattern for the last few weeks, but that looks to change. High pressure is going to work its way in. After a brief cool down with a northerly wind, we will really start to ramp it up in terms of that southerly wind. Lots of sunshine as we go through the weekend and start next week. So here's a look at the jet stream. We got a couple of days where temperatures are going to be into the upper 70s, lower 80s. A brief cool down behind the system that's making its way through right now. But here comes that ridge through the weekend, and especially early to mid next week, we actually could be under that extreme heat dome across the region. So we're going to keep our eyes on this one and see how hot we are going to get as we go through next week. So 88 tomorrow, your high, then down to 79, your high. Thursday has the best chance of some showers and storms, 81 on Friday, but low to mid-90s. Lots of sunshine, no moisture chances over the weekend. Monday and Tuesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Still staying dry, as highs will be into the upper 90s. Kent?
We kind of have been lucky. I haven't had to deal with that sweltering heat so far.
Yeah, we've had a lot of moisture chances, but that looks to change going through next week.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. And pharmaceutical